Protein powders are a staple in the fitness and health community, helping individuals meet their protein needs conveniently. However, the question arises, is your protein powder safe? This article dives deep into the safety of protein powders, highlighting potential risks, how to choose the right one, and tips for safe usage. Stick around as we uncover the truth about protein powders. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Health Calp channel for more insightful content. Understanding protein powders. Protein powders are dietary supplements made from various protein sources like whey, casein, soy, pea, or rice. They are widely used by athletes, bodybuilders, and health enthusiasts to support muscle building, recovery, and overall nutrition. Types of protein powders include 1. Whey protein, a complete protein derived from milk, rich in essential amino acids. 2. Casein protein, also from milk, but digests slowly, making it ideal for nighttime consumption. 3. Plant-based proteins, made from sources like soy, pea, or hemp, suitable for vegans or those with dairy intolerance. 4. Collagen protein, supports skin, joint, and connective tissue health. While these supplements offer numerous benefits, not all protein powders are created equal, and some may pose health risks. What makes protein powders unsafe? Several factors determine the safety of a protein powder. Let's break them down. 1. Contamination with harmful substances. Some protein powders have been found to contain heavy metals, lead, arsenic, cadmium, and mercury, which can cause long-term health issues. Pesticides, residues from non-organic sources. Microorganisms, bacteria and fungi that can lead to foodborne illnesses. 2. Artificial additives and sweeteners. Many protein powders contain artificial flavors, sweeteners, and preservatives that may cause digestive discomfort, allergic reactions, potential long-term health concerns. 3. Unregulated ingredients. Protein powders are classified as dietary supplements, which means they are not strictly regulated by the FDA. This lack of regulation can lead to mislabeling of ingredients, inclusion of banned or harmful substances. 4. Overconsumption risks. Excessive protein intake, especially from supplements, can strain the kidneys, lead to dehydration, and increase the risk of nutrient imbalances. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Health Calp channel for more tips on health and wellness. How to choose a safe protein powder. First, look for third-party testing. Opt for products certified by organizations like NSF Certified for Sport, Inform Sport, and Consumer Lab. These certifications ensure the product is free from contaminants and matches the label claims. Next, check the ingredient list. Choose powders with minimal, natural ingredients. Avoid artificial sweeteners, fillers, and additives. Then, research the brand. Look for reputable brands with transparent manufacturing practices. Check for customer reviews and independent lab reports. Finally, consider your dietary needs. For lactose intolerance, opt for plant-based or lactose-free whey protein. For allergies, avoid powders containing allergens like soy or nuts. Tips for safe usage. First, stick to recommended dosages. Follow the serving size mentioned on the label. Typically, 20 to 30 grams per serving is sufficient for most individuals. Second, pair with a balanced diet. Protein powders should complement your diet, not replace whole food sources like eggs, fish, nuts, and legumes. Next, monitor your body's response. If you experience bloating, nausea, or allergic reactions, stop using the product and consult a healthcare professional. Lastly, stay hydrated. Protein metabolism requires water. Ensure you drink enough fluids throughout the day. The debate around long-term safety. While short-term use of protein powders is generally considered safe, long-term effects are still debated. Potential concerns include the impact on kidney and liver health, dependency on supplements over real food, and increased risk of nutrient imbalances. However, when consumed in moderation and as part of a healthy lifestyle, protein powders can be a valuable tool for meeting your nutritional goals. FAQs about protein powder safety. Are protein powders safe for teenagers? Teenagers can use protein powders if they are unable to meet their protein needs through food. However, it's best to consult a healthcare professional before starting. Can pregnant women consume protein powders? Pregnant women should consult their doctor before using protein powders to ensure they meet their unique nutritional needs. Are plant-based protein powders safer than whey? Both types can be safe if sourced from reputable brands. Plant-based proteins are ideal for those with dairy allergies or dietary restrictions. Do protein powders cause kidney damage? For healthy individuals, protein powders do not pose a risk to kidney health. However, those with pre-existing kidney conditions should limit protein intake. What are signs of a bad protein powder? Unpleasant smell or taste, poor mixability, and stomach discomfort or allergic reactions. The bottom line: protein powders can be a safe and effective supplement when chosen wisely and used in moderation. Always prioritize high-quality products, check for third-party certifications, and listen to your body. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear your thoughts. What topic do you want us to cover in our next video? Tell us in the comment box below. Thank you for staying till the end. Protein powder safety is a crucial topic, and your health should always come first. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and family. Finally, remember to like and subscribe to the Health Calp channel for more such valuable content. Stay healthy and informed.